Alright, for my semester project, I've decided to make a duct fitting. I'm going to show you the whole process from a raw piece of sheet metal. So right here, we have a piece of sheet metal up on the plasma table. So we're going to come over here. Got my Uncle Todd, the HVAC specialist, on the program, so he's just drawing up a fitting in there, and the plasma table will cut out that fitting in those pieces, and then once the pieces are cut, then we'll go ahead and put it together. So you can see it cutting the fitting right there. There's the cutout pieces. So he's just running this piece of metal through the bead brake. What that does, it just helps strengthen the metal. So you'll see it'll put those creases in it. The beads go out for a supply fitting, and the beads go in for a return fitting. So positive pressure or negative pressure. Then this machine is called the Pittsburgh. So this is just going to put a bend in the metal so we're able to attach it. Now he's just bringing it here to the brake. He's going to bend it. You can see those notches have been made in the metal, so he knows right where to bend it. He's making a 90 fitting here, rectangular fitting. Then here's another piece of the fitting. So he's just going to bend up the corners on this. Quarter inch 90s on these, and that will slide into the ends here. Alright, now he just has a little scribe. He's going to mark a quarter-inch line on the sides there so he knows where to bend it. Then that tool right there, it's called a bar fold. So we'll stick that up to the line that he scribed. Just bend it up 90 degrees right there. Both sides. Okay, so now we're just going to cut out some sound liner for the pieces. So the sound liner just helps with obviously noise, but also insulation. Now he's gluing the fitting right there, as you can see. We'll just stick the sound liner on it.
He was just on his way back.
Alright, so we're putting these little pins in there. Those pins have been set in, and now he's going to spot weld them. So that's what's going on there. And that'll hold our sound liner down. On all the sides of the fittings we have to do that. Okay, so we got our pieces of our fitting sound line here, so now we're going to tap them together. Alright, so we're just putting the fitting together now. Tapping it in the creases there. Todd's been doing this for 30 years and he hasn't lost a finger yet, so.
I bit one. I didn't want to show you how it felt.
All right, so there is your rectangular 90. It's just missing the bottom piece there, but it goes on the same as the top piece. As you can see, you know, you just tap that down, and when it's done, it's got a nice bead there, and that's what holds the fitting together. So there you go. You can see these are the bead breaks. They're broken out because this is a supply fitting, so positive pressure. 90, this will go on a package unit for a commercial building. The package unit's actually gonna sit on the ground, and then it's gonna 90 up out of the unit, 20 feet up in the air to for some spiral, to go to some spiral ducts. So there will be some rec duct running off of this, going up, and then that will go to a round spiral pipe. And you know, there's your sound liner inside there, and that's the fitting. This moment has been brought to you by Paul Hamas Heating and Air Conditioning, your trained comfort specialist, where we're happy to service any of your HVAC needs.